Hello everyone, welcome back. This is day 3, and today I want to talk about something we don't discuss enough: self doubt. No other people's judgment, not grammar mistakes, but the voice inside our head that says, maybe I'm not good enough. If you have ever felt this is this video is for you. Self doubt doesn't shout, it whispers. It says, others speak better than you. Who will listen to you? Why are you even trying? And the worst part is, sometimes we believe that voice. I also heard that voice today before pressing the record button. Why day 3 is mental heavy? Day 1 is excitement. Day 2 is discipline. But day 3 is mental pressure. Because now the mind start comparing. We compare our English with fluent speaker, our journey with someone else's success, our beginning with someone's else middle. And comparison slowly kills confidence. What I'm choosing instead today, instead of listening to self doubt, I choose something else. I choose progress over comparison. Someone else chapter 10 doesn't make my chapter 3 less important. Every expert was once a beginner. Every confident speaker was once a silent. A simple truth. Let me tell you something very simple. You don't need confidence to speak. You need speaking to build confidence. Confidence is not requirement. It is a result. So if you are waiting to feel confident, you might wait forever. Start before you feel ready. If you are watching this and thinking, I want to speak English but I feel scared, please know this. Fear does not mean you are weak. Fear means you are care. Fear means you care. And people who care usually go much further in life. Why I will continue? I don't know how far this journey will go. I don't know how long it will take. But I do know one thing. If I stop because of self doubt, I regret it more than any mistake. So today, on day 3, I choose courage, not confidence. This was day 3, not perfect, not fluent, but honest. If you are also fighting self doubt, stay with me. We will take this journey one impact sentence at a time. See you tomorrow. Day 4 is waiting. If you are still here on day 3, comment, keep going below.